Hello friends, welcome to CS Lectures. In this video, I'm going to explain how to multiply two numbers using user-defined function. So in this case, I will explain the third form of user-defined function. So here, I will discuss about with return type but without argument. Okay, let's see how the program can be written. So here my form is with the return type without argument or parameters, without argument. So it means the declaration syntax of the function can be like this: int, suppose add. So there is no argument, but the return type is int. This is the function name. This is the function name. Return type is int, but there is no argument. Okay. So in this type, I will write a program and explain how the program is working. So let's see. So here I'm writing a program. Has include stdio.h. Has include stands for preprocessor directive and stdio.h stands for standard input output header file. This contains the printf and scanf functions so that we can use it inside our program. So next, I'm declaring the prototype of the function int, suppose mul, because I want to multiply two numbers, semicolon. Okay, this is the prototype declaration. Prototype declaration of the function. So next, void main, opening curly bracket. Here I am declaring a variable int p, semicolon. Next, printf, within double quotation, I'm writing with return type, without argument, double quotation and bracket and semicolon. So after that, I'm writing p equal to mul function. So this function, this is the calling part or calling function. Okay. So next, using a printf function, I am writing, suppose multiplication equal to %d, double quotation and bracket, double quotation and comma p, bracket and semicolon. So this is the main function part. Okay. So this is the calling part, that is the function will call from this portion. So there must be, the function must be defined outside the main function. So I'm writing int mul. Okay, opening curly bracket. Here I'm writing two variables, int a equal to 20, comma b equal to 10, c, comma c equal c, semicolon. So c does not contain any variable, any value. So here I can write c equal to a asterisk b, semicolon. Now return c, semicolon, then function close. Okay, function start and the function closes here. So this is all about the program. And when this small function, the compiler comes to this small function, it will call, this function will call the definition part of the mul function. So in the definition part, there are two or three local variables declared. One is a whose value is 20, b whose value is 10, and c C will contain the product of A and B. That will be 20 into 10, which will be 200. Okay, then it will return, because the function returns some value, because we are declaring int mul of mul function. That means this will return something. So which type of value it will return? It will return integer type of value. So similarly, if I declare float mul, so it will return floating point type of value. Similarly, the C value will return to the function. So the function will return the value 200. Okay, so now the 200 will be assigned to P. Now printf function multiplication equal to %d comma P. The value of P will be displayed here. So output will be multiplication equal to 200. So let's see this program in my dev C++ editor, how it is executed. Hash include stdio.h, next int mul, next void main, int p semicolon, then I'm writing printf in double quotation with return type without argument, semicolon. Now p equal to mul. So whatever the function will return, that will be stored in the variable p. So now I'm using the printf function to display the value. So here I'm writing multiplication equal to %d comma p semicolon. Now int mul bracket, closing curly bracket, inside that int a equal to, suppose I am writing 30 comma b equal to 20 comma c semicolon. Now c equal to a asterisk b semicolon, return c semicolon. Okay, now the program is complete. Let's execute it and see what is the output. So I'm compiling it. When I will compile it, it will ask me to save the program. I'm saving in the name of function C source files with .c extension. Now the compilation result came, errors and warnings are 0. It means the program is correct. Let's see the output. Here you can see with return type without argument, then multiplication equal to 600. You can see here. The first statement is written inside the main function, and the second statement is also inside the main function, but the value is returned from the user defined function, that is mul function. Okay, so this is the third form of the user defined functions. So if you like this video, then subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you. Thanks for watching.